In this video, I'll share with you a quick technique for creating liquid drip effect inside of After Effects. Let's create a new composition. I'm going to name it render, as I always do. Click OK. Let's select the ellipse tool, make sure your fill is set to a solid color, and your stroke is set to none. We don't need any stroke. And create an ellipse like that. Hold Shift to get the proportional size, make sure to align it in the middle. Let's change its name, so let's name it Big. Big will be standing for the big ellipse. Now let's create a smaller version, something like that. And let's name this one Small straight away. Select the selection tool or press V on your keyboard and place the smaller ellipse accordingly. Then press P on your keyboard and create a keyframe. Then move 2 seconds forward and drag the ellipse down. Then find these little handles and drag them accordingly so it looks like our smaller ellipse will be passing through the big one as it moves. Let's select both keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease the keyframes. Let's preview what we have. It's pretty nice so far. I'll right click, new adjustment layer. We'll be adding a couple of effects here. Some key effects, search for Gaussian blur and apply this with the adjustment layer. Set blurriness to 100. Then let's go and search for the effect called Simple Choker. Add this with the adjustment layer. Set choke matte to something like 35. Let's do a quick preview. And here we are getting that liquid effect. Let's go and search for another effect called turbulent displace. Add this to the adjustment layer and bring it above all other effects. Let's adjust the amount, set amount to 20 and set size to 250. And hold your Alt and click the evolution stopwatch. And here we need to type time asterisk 300. Click away. And now we'll have a constant animation that looks more like a liquid. Let's change the colors of our circles. Just go to the effects and search for fill. Apply fill to both big and small ellipses. And let's give our big ellipse a nice orange color. Alright, and click OK. Now let's change the color of our small one. Let's set it to white. Let's find the exact frame where our small ellipse is touching the big one. And create a keyframe for fill color. And now go a couple of frames forward to the point that our smaller ellipse is completely inside the big one. Then grab the color picker and set it to the same color as our big ellipse. It looks like our small white ellipse gets consumed by the big orange one and also turns orange. You can create multiple duplicates of, say, smaller ellipse, so select it, press Ctrl D to create a duplicate, and offset that duplicate by 5 frames forward. Create another one, go 5 frames forward again, and offset it too. And now you have multiple small ellipses that go through the big one, and all of them turn orange. And that's how you create a liquid drip effect inside of After Effects.